Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install and configure Oracle SQL command line 20.4 on Windows 10 operating system. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Oracle SQL command line interface 20.4 zip file. So I'm going to extract this zip file to one directory. So this Oracle SQL command line used to execute SQL queries from command line. So this is the directory structure, contains bin directory and lib directory. So this requires Java 8 and above to get run. So make sure that you have installed JDK 1.8 or above. Then only this Oracle SQL command line tool will be working. So this is the command line tool is used to execute queries in command line in batch mode. So Java is available in the path here. So we are going to use JDK 11 to run Oracle SQL command line. Before that, I am checking whether Oracle database is available. So this is the command listener control status is the command used to check whether Oracle database is available. So Oracle database 18c Express edition we are going to connect. So before that I am going to add the bin directory to the Windows path variable. So copy the bin directory so that this SQL command will be available in the path. So this PC I am going to edit the environment variables, click the advanced settings, environment variable. So in path I am going to add this SQL command line installation path bin directory. So this is the path I have added now, so that SQL command sql.exe will be available in the path. So once again I am opening the command prompt. Type SQL. That's it. So it will ask for username and password. So I am providing one user called C#Scott, so which is already available in the database at IP address of the database is running. So sometimes you can log in directly. So 1521/xe, provide the password. Yes, I can able to connect. So make sure that the syntax is correct to connect the user called Scott. So Scott is the ordinary user. It's not a pluggable database user. So it's mentioned as C##. C## means it's ordinary user in database. So I can able to view the tables. So let me insert one record here. Yes, it's fine. So through Oracle SQL command line, I can able to connect Oracle database 18c Express edition. So this is the syntax used to connect the ordinary user available in the database. Now I am going to connect as DBA, sys user as a sysdba. So let us watch how to do that. So this is the syntax used to connect sysdba. sysuser is sysdba here. So make sure that you have provided the correct port and database name. Provide the password. Yes, I can able to connect as a sysdba. I can able to select the system tables also. Yes, it's fine. So now next we are going to connect as a pluggable database user. So this is the syntax for connecting pluggable database user. So PDB admin is the default user available in the Express Edition database. So this is the syntax used to connect the PDB admin, which is available in default. So provide the username and password also. Make sure that syntax is correct. So this is the syntax, and here the instance name will be xcpdb1. Yes, I can able to connect. So Oracle SQL command line 20.4 installation on Windows 10 is successful.